Which do you hate more, exercise or cleaning your house? I'm not a fan of either, but at least cleaning offers additional benefits if you like a clean house.
At Simply Diabetes, we can help you manage your diabetes cheaper and easier.
We are not medical professionals. We are people with diabetes, just like you.
Welcome.
Housework is a necessary evil. We have to either live in a mess, clean it ourselves, or pay someone else.
Since the mess option is not really an option, we have the first two, cleaning ourselves or paying someone. Would it make you feel better if you knew cleaning counts as exercise? Don't let anyone tell you otherwise.
What comes to mind when someone says the word exercise? For many people, the first thing they think of is walking, running, weightlifting, playing sports, and so on. Cleaning the house isn't even on the list.
Yet cleaning offers the same benefits as other exercise does. As long as you are moving your big muscles, your body benefits. Like with any other exercise, by moving we get stronger and fitter.
But for us, people with diabetes, moving is even more important. That's because when we move, we use up sugar in our bloodstream. And keeping our sugar within a healthy range is what helps us avoid those nasty complications like heart disease, blindness, deafness, or amputations.
Let's get cleaning. Here are some of the moves involved in cleaning. Bending, lifting, reaching, stretching, pushing, squatting. Our dogs would help for treats. Bending, reaching again, pulling, twisting.
There are voices out there that say cleaning isn't really exercise because it doesn't require much structured effort. If someone tells you that, ask them when was the last time they cleaned anything. I'm willing to bet they either never do it or did it once years ago.
Ask them to try it. After they're done, then they can tell you all the lifting, twisting, reaching, moving furniture, squatting, bending, stretching, and all the other movements we do while cleaning are not exercise.
They likely won't do it. But we can easily disprove their claim that housework doesn't count as exercise in another way. All we need to do is use our glucose measurements before and after. Find a time about an hour after you ate. Make sure that during that time you didn't eat anything else, and also you didn't exercise or do anything physically demanding. We want our blood sugar to be stable, not going up or down. Drinking plain water is fine. Then measure your blood sugar and write it down. Next, clean like you normally do. Go for 20 minutes at least. Don't do anything you wouldn't do during ordinary cleaning. And then, when you're done, measure again. Your sugar should have dropped nicely. It wouldn't go down this much if what you did truly didn't count. So that's our proof that housework is exercise. If you have a continuous glucose monitor or a CGM, you can see even more clearly what housework does to your sugar. Here's mine. Before I began, I ate ice cream, which got my sugar up like crazy. Then I got to work doing most of the things we showed you in our video. The result is like magic. I got my sugar down really nicely.
This is awesome. But if you think about it, cleaning takes the same movements as many typical exercises in a gym. After all, in both cases, you do cardio, lift, bend, squat, stretch, twist, and so on. Except at a gym, you have to pay for the privilege. And cleaning at home is free. Actually, it's better than free because you have this additional benefit of a clean and tidy home.
We have a friend who loves cleaning. I can't understand this, but she's a neat freak and her home is always spotless. Ours will never be perfect, but I'm okay with that.
Go ahead and count your cleaning towards your exercise goals. The American Diabetes Association recommends 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days. On the cleaning day, you can skip other activities guilt-free, satisfied that you've done your part.
And here's another tip. If your sugar is way too high, pick up the speed and see how much it really helps.
Fast moves often use up more blood sugar.
Do you like cleaning better now? You might never love it, but hopefully you hate it less now that it's part of your diabetes lifestyle.
You can also count cleaning your car as exercise.
Not the kind you drive through.
No, not that one. But if you live in an area that allows you to wash your car at home, it involves a lot of bending, reaching, and the like.
There are many other household activities that count as exercise.
Things like changing your bed sheets or folding laundry.
Yes, every little bit counts, although that's more like an exercise snack than an actual exercise session. It's not enough by itself, but it definitely helps. Anything that gets us moving is a good thing. I can think of some other examples, like picking up your dog poop. I don't know why, but our pups are very productive this way, and there are several presents I find every morning.
And gardening also counts. There is lots of bending, digging, and lifting. If you have a vegetable garden, there's an added bonus of the freshest food that you earned by your own exercise.
The point here is that if you can't go to a gym or a recreation center for whatever reason, it's easy to incorporate activities around your home into a regimen that does work. We have lots more tips about living with diabetes. In fact, we have published books about it. They are available on Amazon. You will find links to them under this video.
If you find this video informative or useful, give us a like. Subscribe to our Simply Diabetes channel and click the reminder icon so you're notified when a new video is available. And don't forget to tell your friends.
We can successfully manage this disease.
See you next time.